Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is a part 5 videos of my TCS series. Okay, so if you haven't watched my part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4, I request please watch the complete series so that you will get to know that what part I'm going to cover in this video. Okay, so today morning only few of the candidates updated me, and the yesterday night also few of candidates updated me that I got regret status, and like from the TCS team I am from 2024 batch Ninja Digital Prime, and few of the Prime on got the regret status, and also the candidates who given the interview. Okay, so see, this is the TCS phase 2 interview result updates. Definitely they started sending the updates also, and rather than 90% chances are there that you are going to be rejected if your name is not list in not there in the college list. What, sir, what, can you please repeat once? Let's see. So let's suppose if you are from belong from the college called, let's suppose any of the colleges like XYZ. Okay, and if your college publish the result, correct, they have published only selection list, and if your name is not there, then 90% chances are there that you are going to be rejected. Why I'm saying this? Because many candidates got the rejection. Only 10% you can say, because I got to know that they are getting the different mail from the HR team regarding the document submission. Okay, and few of the candidates who got rejected, they also got the mail from the HR team regarding the document checklist onboarding mail. Okay, okay. So see, so if your name is not there in college list, it means that you are not selected, and they are most probably you are going to be rejected. And till now you have to keep पेशेंस कीप, लाइक मैंने कल रात में आप लोग को लाइव करा था, उसमें काफी लोग बोल रहे सर आप जो है सच ही बोलिएगा, ठीक है, तो मैं आपको सच ही बता रहा हूँ दैट 90% चांस आर देयर यू आर गोइंग टू बी रिजेक्टेड इफ योर नेम इज नॉट देयर इन कॉलेज लिस्ट. आप, सर क्या कॉलेज सेकेंड लिस्ट निकालेगी? डेफिनेटली आप लोग कॉलेज की टीपीओ से बात करना. इफ दे हैव मोर कैंडिडेट देन डेफिनेटली दे विल रिलीज द सेकेंड लिस्ट आल्सो. बट ज्यादातर कॉलेजेस फर्स्ट लिस्ट में ही सारे लोगों का रिजल्ट का डिक्लेयर कर देते हैं, और सेकेंड लिस्ट जो होते हैं वो केवल मतलब फर्स्ट लिस्ट के कंपेरिजन में काफी कम होते हैं, और वो कुछ कुछ कॉलेजेस ही आप लोग की लिस्ट निकालेगी. जो भी टीसीएस टीम अपडेट करेगी कॉलेज को, कॉलेज आपको अपडेट करेगी. टीसी आपके कॉलेज आपको सिलेक्ट नहीं कर रही है, टीसीएस टीम आपको सिलेक्ट कर रही है. तो मे बी सम कॉलेजेस इज गोइंग टू रिलीज द सेकेंड list also, so you have to wait. There is no other option, because phase 2 result you can expect by first week of August, because कुछ colleges में फर्स्ट वीक के अगस्त में भी आप लोग के रिजल्ट देखने को मिल रहे हैं. ठीक है, टीचर्स फेज 2 इंटरव्यू रिजल्ट अपडेट, like no update after interview, and also my name is not there in college final list means rejected. Yes, all must check the latest interview result update status on portal. So what is this? So you can see this is a regret status. Okay, see, just log into a TCS Next Step portal, and if you have given an interview and if your name is not there in TCS Next Step portal, TCS selection list from the college TPO, then just check. Okay, okay, just log into your TCS Next Step portal, and if your name is not there in college list, college selection list, then just check your Next Step portal. And if you still not got any regret and is still showing best, it's mean you are 10% candidates who have a chance for getting selection or document verification mail from the TCS team. Okay. Okay, just check your TCS Next Step portal, and if you're getting a batch, it's mean you have to you can expect a good news or bad news depending on the profile. Because मैंने बता दिया friend, 90% chances are there for getting rejected if your name is not there in college list. But make sure करना एक बार कॉलेज की टीपीओ से बात करना क्या कॉलेज का सेकेंड लिस्ट भी रिलीज होगा. अगर नहीं तो 90% chances that you are rejected, and 10% chance that you are going to be selected. Only if HR और select होते हैं तो आपके पास TCS next step TCS team HR आपको कॉल करेंगे that please submit the document, और on document onboarding checklist का मेल देखने को मिलेगा. Got it? Okay. And see, this is the background check which I'm going to discuss in the next video as well. Okay, see, this is a teacher selection batch, and this is for the SNIT placement Srinidhi. Okay, the college list already published. See, because they already started sending the phase 2. Okay, okay, today morning around 10:51 candidates got this list from the college. You see, this is Srinidhi International Group. Okay, this is a college name, and this is the name of candidates who got shortlisted, and this is the select category Ninja Digital, digital. Okay, so Ninja Digital Prime, only few got selected, and most of the candidates are from Ninja Digital, and this is the Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology. Okay, SIST. Okay, these are SNIST placement. Okay, so yes, college list. Some colleges are already releasing the list also for selected candidates. So you have to check, and if your name is not there, please once confirm with your college TPO that, sir, is there any second list will be published, or should I consider it rejected? So they will update you. Okay, and after that you have to wait for the TCS next step. TCS next step portal should be updated, and also you can expect the TCS NQT interview rejection also, because they will send you a rejection mail also. And if they are not sending any rejection mail, then you have to keep checking your TCS next step portal for regret status. Okay, And this is for TCS Malla Reddy College winner visit Hyderabad TCS interview. Okay, great college Mohan Babu University and Vardhaman and Guntur Vigna. This type of candidates getting the update, and all only, or you can say only 10% got the update and 90% is still waiting for the update. Okay, 90% candidates still not got any update from this update from these colleges. Okay, and this is the list of all the colleges. Okay, see, these are digital and the KLU still no update. Okay, so more than 90% candidates still not got any updates after after the interview. So you have to wait until your college placement sale or TCS team will contact you for the same also. If you're going to be shortlisted, then your college, your like TCS HR team will give you a document verification mail, and if you're not going to be shortlisted, then they will send you the resume also. But till that, you have to keep wait. You have to keep patience. Okay, that you are going to get updates. Okay, so this is the latest interview result update, and please let me know teacher if you have got a rejection or selection. So मिलते हैं दूसरे वीडियो में. Till then, जय हिंद, जय भारत.